people on the internet. My name is Casey Coletti and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY where I teach myself how to do something and then I teach you how to do it, so I really am no expert at this. I am just taking my old pair of jeans and reinventing them and making them newer. I'm just teaching you what I learned and some tricks that helped me along the way. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you want, here's my Instagram, you can go follow me. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so for all three of the different styles that I'm going to be showing you, we are going to be using the same stitch. So basically, you just go into the first one, and then you're going to take the needle, come out of the second one, and then you're going to retrace your steps and go back into the one, and then you're going to come out to 3, go back into 2, and then go to 4, come back into 3, and it's as simple as that. So for the first step, you are just going to take your writing utensil, preferably a pen if you have denim to work with, and you're just going to trace out your lettering or design, whichever you choose. Alright, so step 2, you are going to take your string and attempt to get it through the loop on your needle. I know it takes a few practices, trust me. Little tip that helped me is if you wet the end of the string or lick it, that's what I did, not gonna lie. It just like makes all the hairs stay down and it just makes your life so much easier. And once you are finished with the stitching, you are just gonna go into the back, take one of the old stitches, tie a knot around it, and then just secure it tightly. Alright, so style number 2. This one I had a lot of fun with also because it's almost like you're making rips in your jeans, but like instead of like the normal white, it would be like totally funky colors. I picked yellow. So this time I'm doing the same exact stitch, just the string is going to be farther apart from each one. And once again, to tie it off, you are just going to take one of the old stitches, tie a knot around it, and voila, that is it. Alright, now we're on to style number 3. This one is perfect for pockets or around the top of the jeans or down where the material like overlaps. And once again for this one, we're doing the same exact stitch, same exact knot. Everything is the same except you can do like a fun color scheme or you could just really play around and get creative here. And here is the finishing project, what they will look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. You have no idea. And I hope you have an amazing day.